To withdraw money from your PayPal account to your bank account, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the PayPal login page and you want to log into your account. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. So once you are signed in, you'll be taken to your PayPal dashboard, which will look something like this. So to withdraw our funds into our bank account, the first thing we need to do is to add our bank account to our PayPal account. To do this, you want to click on the Pay and Get Paid tab at the very top, and then you want to click on the Money tab underneath the Wallet menu. From here, it's going to give you an overview of how much money you have in your PayPal account, along with your connected currencies. However, if we scroll down slightly, it will give you a list of your bank accounts and cards connected to your account. So to transfer our money into our bank account, we'll need to add a new bank account by clicking on this link. From here, you just need to enter in your details of your bank account, and you also need to choose whether it's a business or personal account. Once you're ready, you want to click on Agree and Link. Once you've done this, PayPal will need to send 2 small deposits that are less than £1 or $1, and we'll need to retrieve one of them in a withdraw. This is to confirm your bank account and to make a successful link between your bank account and your PayPal account. So once you've connected your bank account, if we go back to the money page and scroll down, it will give you a list of all of the bank accounts that you've connected. In this case, I've only got one. So to transfer our money, you just want to go back up to the money page and you want to click on the big blue transfer money. You will then be taken to the transfer page. So at the very top, you can choose how much you want to send. In this case, I'm going to send 100 United States dollars. And you can also choose whether you want to send it instantly with no fee, or you can choose the 1 to 3 day option, but fees may apply. You'll also need to confirm the bank account you want to send it to. In this case, I've only got one linked, so it's only showing the one. It'll also give you a quick overview of how much you want to transfer, how much the fees cost, and PayPal's exchange rate between the two currencies if you are transferring between currencies. So if you're happy with how much you will successfully receive, you can click on the Transfer Now button, and that will successfully transfer your PayPal funds into your bank account. And that is how you withdraw money from your PayPal account to your bank account. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.